What if I told you that you could create a full stick figure animation from scratch under 5 minutes? No switching between tools, no design skills, just with your phone. I will show you how to create this video using Soloa AI. First, go to AI image, select Nano Banana Tune, the aspect ratio should be 16:9, the prompt, and hit generate. Still in AI image, the same model, aspect ratio, then input your prompt and hit generate. Select model, settings 2.0 fast, the aspect ratio, the prompt and hit generate. That is it. Your stick figure animation is ready. The full prompts are in the description below. Try this today and follow for more tips.